Today I'm going to be working on the Easter tray cutouts, and I'm going to start by taking my painter's tape and taking some of the small parts and pieces and laying on the tape. Number one, so I don't lose them, and number two, it makes them easier to work with. And the first color I'm going to start with is Snow Owl, and I'm going to do this on my farm truck on the two pieces using a foam dabber from the Dollar Tree. Then I'm going to use the white also on the daisies, the little bunny, and the rim of the truck. Also the tag for the bunny. Then I'm going to go in with black on the word eggs, the tires. Then I'm going to use smoky quartz for my windshield and some of the parts of the gumball machine. Then I'm going to use black cherry on some of the jelly beans, an egg, and then this square sign. I'm going to use Joshua Tree on some jelly beans, on the top of the carrots, and the center of all my daisies. I'm going to use Mandarina on my carrots, and then on some jelly beans. And the last color is Higgins Lake on the jelly beans, and then on an egg, and on this word Happy Easter. I'm going to do some Snow Owl on the half portion of my Happy Easter, and then I'm going to rub some Snow Owl into my black cherry on the sign to give me a more lavender tone. I'm going to do Higgins Lake on the sign with the eggs. And then I'm going to use our color Petal for our gumball machine. And then I'm going to use smoky quartz for the inside of the gumball machine. And now I'm going to start gluing everything together. I'm going to add the truck's two parts together, the rim, the center of the tires. I'm going to start adding the eggs, the sign for the door, and a daisy goes on that truck, and then the rim. Now I'm going to put together the gumball machine, adding all the jelly beans, trying to do random with the colors. I'm going to do the parts to the gumball machine and then the bunny at the top. I'm going to take a permanent marker and make lines on this square sign. There is some ridges you'll see, and then add the word Happy Easter. I'm going to add a couple daisies to the sign. Then I'm going to glue my carrots together, add a few daisies, and then put jute around the top of the carrot, adding my little sign that says bunny bait. And this I'm going to take chocolate and a little bit of white from my rabbit. Add his little cottontail. Take the blush and add some lines for his ears. And this little sign says bite me. I'm going to use some jute to hang that around his neck. Then I'm going to paint my stands. I'm going to put polka dots on my carrots and do some dots on each of the items, some polka dots on my gumball machine. This was a really fun project for the Easter season coming. Make a great gift or something to add to your table or your tier tray on your countertop. Thank you so much for watching. You can get this cut out at chalkitupfancy.com, and you would get a QR code along with this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.